How can you really make a man commit? Can you even do that? Is that something that you should be doing? Let's talk about that today. Hi ladies, my name is Ieva Bereisaite and I am one of Greta's high value women coaches. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 things men need in order to commit to you. Greta has launched her ebook called Devoted Relationships. Make sure you check it out. You can learn so much. It's really a great book. And you can find the link to that in the description section down below. Also, make sure to take the self-awareness test to find out if you're a woman of high value or low value. And you can find that test in the description section down below as well. If you haven't noticed, I'm wearing Greta's merch, one of her t-shirts, Chase Goals, Not Drama. If you want to get your hands on a t-shirt like this or maybe a hoodie, make sure to check out Greta's online store that you can find the link to down below as well. The first thing that you have to know is you cannot make a man commit. You cannot make a man commit to you by forcing or trying to force him to do so. It actually repels the man away from you more than anything else. If you keep telling him or asking him, when are we gonna get married? I'm waiting so long already for you to ask me to marry you. When are you finally gonna propose to me? Or when am I finally gonna be someone's wife? I've been waiting around for so long. All of these things that I have just said sound very desperate, very low value, and not attractive, so make sure you don't say any of those in your relationship. It shows that you desperately want to be committed in that way to him, whether that might be marriage or being in a relationship with him. And you don't want to give all of that power to him for him to make the decision of, well, do I really want to be with her? You don't want to give all of that decision making into his hands. He should be the one asking you if you want to commit to him. He should be the one asking you if you want to marry him and never the other way around. He should be the one pursuing you and asking you these questions, not you him. The only way that that can be achieved is by acting high value with the right man. You simply cannot speed up the commitment part. But when you do act high value, he will fall in love with you and he will not want to risk losing you. He will want to commit to you naturally because he would want to make you happy. Number 2 is the fear of losing you. A high value woman is rare. That is why a high value man can fear losing you and would potentially commit into marriage or a relationship to be with you. When a man really loves a woman, he will want her to be happy. When the woman is happy, the man will feel like he is happy too. If you have been in a relationship for a while and it is going well, and you want to go towards marriage, but you feel like it's not really going in that direction, you can simply imply that a relationship gets boring if it doesn't move forward. Don't say this directly to your guy, but you can casually mention it if you're watching, let's say, a love movie or a romantic movie. Or maybe your friends just got engaged and you're on like a double date with them. You could just casually mention it if the conversation of relationships and marriage does come up. The worst thing for a high value man is when the woman actually feels bored when she is in a relationship with him. If he actually does ask you what you think of marriage, or what you think about the both of you getting married, you can say something simple like, I think that would be wise, or I think that would be a wise decision. That simply implies that he is smart or he is wise and he makes good decisions. And at the end of the day, it should also be the truth. Number 3 is you don't want to change him. Men absolutely love when they are accepted as they are. And honestly, what person doesn't? But quite frankly, many women do try to change men nowadays. Remember that changing a man is definitely not your job. The only thing that you can do is bring out the best side of him by simply setting a standard of how you want to be treated and acting high value. It is never about complaining that he doesn't do this or that. It's about telling him what you do appreciate and what you do enjoy and letting him do that. Be high value and set a standard like I mentioned. That way you will literally bring out the best in yourself and you will bring out the best in him as well. So this is a win-win situation for both of you. If you actually start trying to change your guy by telling him that he should be wearing certain clothes, making him do things that he literally does not want to do, or forcing him to do something, he will feel like his freedom is being taken away from him. The relationship can and will be rocky when you try to do these things. A man's freedom is extremely important to him, and when you, in some way, shape, or form, take it away from him, he will become unhappy. When you give a man his freedom of choice and freedom to do what he wants to do and trust him in the process, he will cherish you and love you because you accept him for the good man that he is. After all, if you are with someone and you see that he is just not the right guy for you, then you simply move on. You don't try to change a person to fit you, because that's not really fair now, is it? Instead, you bring out the best in him by being high value and you see if that fits. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Greta's YouTube channel down below. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section what you enjoyed most and give me a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends. If you haven't already, make sure you join Greta's free High Value Women School. It is a free Facebook group where you learn how to bring out the best in your man. The link to that is down below in the description section. And if you would like to know how to get him to fall for you via text, games men play on women and how to handle them, how to get your ex back, how to set boundaries, or maybe you have a hobby that you want to turn into an online business, well, Greta has these videos and more up for sale on her website. Make sure you check it out. The link to that is in the description section down below. Also, Greta has a High Value Women course. In this course, she teaches women how to be high value from A to Z and everything you need to know in between. This course is made up of 5 modules and 2 big bonuses. Make sure you have a look down below as well. You can find it there. The course is brilliant. And also, if you would like to work with Greta, me, or any member of Greta's team, feel free to book us on Bereisaite.com. You can find it down below as well. We would love to work with you and help you out in your current situation. Also, check out Greta's Instagram. Her Insta is Ladies Relationship Coach. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Have a lovely week. Bye.